Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to highlight the capabilities and some of the key features of Cyware Intel Exchange. Let's begin. Despite the availability of numerous tools, organizations still struggle to organize, prioritize, and leverage information on various cybersecurity threats. With an ever-changing threat landscape, organizations every day have to constantly prioritize adversaries and their behaviors that they should be tracking. Indicators that are most relevant to action upon. Basically understanding their own org's threat posture. With Cyware Intel Exchange, organizations can now bring all the cyber threat information under a single pane of glass view that automatically processes, deduplicates, prioritizes, and auto-disseminates this vast volume of data to various downstream security tools. Now analysts have the ability to shift through millions of data to focus on the most relevant ones, carry out comprehensive threat investigations on various threat actors, targeting their sectors, understanding their victimologies, tactics, and techniques used in everyday attacks. Data can be pulled from different integration sources in the platform. Intel Exchange has built-in API feed integrations with over 50 different feed providers, including the most effective security vendors. It also includes feeds from popular RSS sources, intelligence from community-based information sharing. Cyware customers who are also ISAC members can configure their subscribed ISAC feeds directly in the system. Other sources include email inbox, web scrapers, or webhooks. In addition to the various security vendor feeds, Cyware, as part of its Cyware Intelligence Suite, also provides bundled out-of-the-box curated feeds specific to various sectors. Sectors include energy, healthcare, OT, financial, government, manufacturing, and also some high-fidelity ransomware and malware feeds. In partnership with Team Cymru, it also provides botnet IPs and C2 infrastructure IPs, such that organizations can have threat intelligence data from day zero. Apart from threat feed providers, Intel Exchange also has integrations with different security tools such as SIEMs, SOAR tools, network security, and also EDR tools to operationalize data downstream. Intel Exchange also comes with a powerful Intel Operations module, which gives access to a huge repository of more than 300 applications that allows you to create custom workflows to operationalize threat data intelligence. Another tool integration category within Intel Exchange is the enrichment tool integrations. Enrichment tools allow analysts to enrich threat data with additional contextual information both as an on-demand or by setting up rule-based enrichment policies, which automates enrichment of indicators as ingested in the platform. All this intelligence data from various sources and in varied formats, such as APIs, JSON, CSV, and PDFs, is normalized into a structured STIX-based threat data ontology. In addition to bringing threat data from API feeds, Intel analysts can also manually add information by uploading different documents and use our AI-powered Intel extraction to parse and extract relevant intelligence such as indicators, attack patterns, malware, tools, etc., and create intelligence reports in the platform. Analysts can also import intelligence in the form of CSV or STIX-JSON files, which will be parsed and ingested as reports in the platform. With the help of Intel Exchange, analysts can now search and query data using different filters that are provided in the platform. Filters are based on different data types, such as indicators, malwares, different sources, source type, and collections. Data can be filtered based on data markings such as TLP or marking definitions. Data can also be filtered based on data attributes such as tags, any custom scores provided by the feed provider, or different sightings that are associated with data. In addition to the filter, users can also leverage the powerful Cyware query language to create custom relational queries to build contextual saved searches. Now let us dive deep into a detailed threat data preview on the platform. This is an IP4 indicator detail page. Intel Exchange brings in information from multiple feed providers, automatically deduplicates and correlates the data with existing data in the platform, such that there is always a single copy present in the system. Analysts can see different attributes related to the indicators, different relations that are associated with it, and different information such as enrichments that are performed on this indicator along with their verdicts. All the tags are arranged properly in different categories, such as user tags, source tags, system tags, etc. The analysis section allows analysts to score data manually or build out their reports, and also reference original source-wise information. The relations section provides a holistic view on different relations that are associated with that indicator. Enrichment section provides an interface to perform on-demand enrichments for this particular indicator. Analysts can click through different tools and perform enrichment directly. Enrichment tools allow analysts to bring this additional context to the data directly through a single click. As mentioned earlier, in addition to on-demand enrichment, automated enrichments can also be set through enrichment policies. Citings provide citing information for the indicator as shared by the feed provider. Actions section provide insights on the different automation or manual rules that are run on this indicator along with the action logs. Different analyst notes or tasks can be associated to track and monitor this data. Now, in addition to just visualizing this information, analysts can also take some quick actions on this indicator directly. For example, if they want to publish this indicator downstream for threat hunting operations or create an incident investigation ticket, one can just run the rule on click of a button. Now, in addition to the information presented as tables, analysts can also visualize this intelligence data and its relations in a visual knowledge graph by leveraging the Threat Investigation Canvas. Threat Investigation Canvas provides a holistic view of the threat intel data package and also allows analysts to perform comprehensive investigations such as enrichments, add new data to this canvas, or bring relations of the adjacent nodes directly into the canvas to create a final threat intel package. Analysts can sift through different data types using node filters objects, and also go create different node views such as diamond model analysis or custom views on this canvas. Indicators in the platform are automatically scored with an Intel Exchange risk score. This customizable risk scoring algorithm assists analysts to prioritize actioning on indicators based on different relevant attributes. Higher scores attribute to higher risks pertaining to your organization, which are divided as per the different feed sources configured, their source confidence that are brought in, the enrichment scores, and also the attributes which can be organization-specific such as specific threat actors, malwares, or sector-specific intelligence. This gives a relevance-based contextual risk scoring for specific organizations to score data. Cyware's Intel Exchange also comes with an AI-powered summary feature that creates a contextual summary for threat objects taking into account different source attributions, relations, and metadata. For example, Threat Actor Summary provides an executive summary, threat actor profiling, tactical profiling, external references, victimology, and also an AI-inferred threat context and analysis into its threat assessment, defensive recommendations on short-term and long-term mitigations, course of actions that an organization can implement, and also guidance on proactive hunting and predictive analysis into its behavior. Using this information, organizations can set up detection engineering rules and take proactive measures. Intel Exchange is not just a high-scale data platform to query or process threat data. It also provides a robust visualization dashboard module, which allows an organization to track and share different KPIs, threat trends, alerts on emerging threats, TTPs, geographic and sectoral IP distribution, emerging threat tags, prevalent and most relevant peer alerts that an organization is tracking. Intel Exchange comes with out-of-the-box analyst dashboard, an attack navigator dashboard which gives a visualization on the correlated TTPs within the platform, a feed's ROI dashboard, which provides insight and assessment on the ROI of a commercial feed based on early reporter, recency as well as quality of data. Not only this, but analysts can also create their own custom or sector-specific threat dashboards by leveraging graphical widgets, which can be configured using Cyware's query language-based saved searches, choose out-of-box widgets from the widget library, or utilize the custom widget builder to create your own widgets to be used in the custom dashboard. This allows you to customize different dashboards to create good visualizations such as CISO dashboards or sectoral threat landscapes that can be viewed within the platform or exported and shared over email. The Attack Navigator module provides a holistic view of the MITRE attack matrix covering enterprise mobile and ICS frameworks with detailed attack pattern heat maps. This module provides a correlated view of TTPs with different threat data objects in the platform. You can switch between different attack matrices and get details on tactic, techniques, and sub-techniques. Analysts can create new custom MITRE layers to assess TTPs relevant to their organization and map threat coverage, implement necessary mitigations, and build out a proactive defense posture. Another core module is the watchlist, which allows organizations to track keywords and get notified of their occurrences within the threat intelligence ingested in the platform, automatically tag these data and map them to build powerful peer dashboards and workflows for sector-specific information that the organization is tracking. The rule module forms the core of the platform, allowing high-volume automation and operationalization of threat intelligence data. Various automation triggers can be set to automatically take action on data based on set conditions, such as publish high-confidence indicators to ATT&CK collection, perform threat hunting, or send indicators to block on firewalls and WAF or to create SIEM alerts. A rule can be set for specific sources. Conditions can be set based on data types such as rule for indicators or reports, and subconditions based on data attributes such as risk score, tags, title text match, etc. Actions can be configured pertaining to different categories, such as allowing to publish data to downstream collections, send data to EDRs, block IOCs on WAFs, update some custom scores or tags. In addition to processing data using the rules engine, Intel Exchange also allows bidirectional sharing of data by its native hub and spoke sharing model using taxi. Organizations can create subscribers and selectively allow them to subscribe to and pull feeds from the main hub or share information back to the hub. Subscribers can be set with relevant taxi server URLs and credentials to seamlessly allow machine-to-machine sharing of data between Intel Exchange and downstream systems supporting taxi. An extension to the operationalization capabilities on the platform, Intel Operations plays a pivotal role. This module, along with its repository of more than 300 connectors, allows organizations to build complex custom workflows to automate and operationalize data in the platform. Comes with an out-of-the-box playbook store, which contains some of the industry-standard best practices, workflows for CTI operations, such as proactive threat hunting, vulnerability and risk assessment, attack surface assessment, detection engineering, etc. Analysts can now build playbooks very seamlessly by utilizing our AI-powered playbook builder, which allows them to create playbooks using natural language prompts requiring no coding or no complex configurations, with a provision of human-in-loop to authorize workflows. The playbook gets generated within minutes. Analysts can also provide feedback on these AI-generated playbooks. In addition to that, it also comes with an AI-powered node, which enables analysts to create custom functions seamlessly within their workflows, such as code editor, writing custom data functions, data massaging, or drafting emails. In this way, the AI-powered playbook canvas can be leveraged to create various complex custom workflows pertaining to your organization's best practices and utilize them to automate and operationalize threat intelligence. This concludes the feature showcase of Cyware Intel Exchange. For more information, visit us at cyware.com to connect with one of our representatives.